Here's a tip. After you've converted a survey, we need to copy the objects into a file that's being used by the construction documents. Previously, we used to copy these objects directly into the file, but now we're going to XREF them in from a file called Z-survey. So once you've converted the survey, make sure that you don't just simply XREF this file, because then all of the surveyor styles and additional layers that you couldn't get rid of will show up in your file. So follow the same format that we used to do. Copy all of the objects, make sure that you're in World, copy everything, Control-Shift-C, and copy from base point 0, 0, 0, and then go into the file that you're going to XREF. In this case, we're going to use the Z survey folder, or Z survey file, and any XREF files into the CDs need to be housed in the root directory of that project. So I have this file set up, Z survey, and I'm simply going to paste those objects into this survey file and purge in and save. And then we can close out that file. And then you simply copy the objects into the file that you're going to XREF, and it should clean up any unreferenced objects or layers that you don't want or styles from the surveyor's file. And that's it.